Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, The Catalyst. Today we are going to start our first lesson on Python, okay? So in the first lesson we are going to do an introduction on Python, and we are also going to see how to install Python and run our first program, okay? So let's go straight away. Let's go to the definition of Python. I can say that Python is a simple, readable programming language which is used to build apps, websites, automate tasks, and analyze data. It is beginner-friendly, and it works on many platforms. It has a very clear syntax which makes it easy and very fast for learners. Yes, as you can see, when we dive into programming in Python, we'll see that Python is also very easy. It looks like English. It's an English-like programming language. Reason why many people love programming using Python. Okay, so the next thing we're also going to do is that we'll see how to install Python, and we are also going to see how to run our program or write a simple code, a Python code in our editor, and then run or execute the program. So for the program we're going to use here, it's called Tony. The program we're going to use, the ID we're going to use is called Tony. And Tony, the reason why we have decided to select Tony is because Tony is very good. It's very light, first of all, very, very light. It's two-in-one. That is, when you install Tony, automatically you've installed Python. Okay, you don't need to install Python first before installing Tony. Once you install Tony, it installs Python automatically. I prefer it compared to programs like PyCharm, that you have to first of all install Python before installing PyCharm. And then moreover, for an introduction to Python, it's easier to go for Tony since it is light and very easy to use. Okay, so right away we are going to see how to install it. So let's install our program. So I already downloaded Tony. Where is it again? Okay, so this is it. This is Tony here. Oh, sorry. This is our Tony. The version we have here is the 4.1.7 at this very moment. That's the latest version we have. So okay. So when you click, it says select. You just click on down, install for. Well, you can install for all your users. Okay. We click yes, and we wait. Next, click on next. Next, we create a desktop icon, and we click next. So it's going to take us some time to install the program. I will pause and take a coffee while it installs. Once it was done, I'll be back. See you later. Okay, welcome back. So the program is we're almost done with the installation. Okay. Okay, so we are done. Click on finish, and we can now go to the desktop to check if our program Tony has been installed. Here it is. Okay, here is our program Tony already installed. it is. I hope you can see it there in the frame. Okay, that's Tony. Okay, so we'll launch Tony. We are going to launch Tony. Let's see how it looks like, the platform. Okay, it looks like I already had a program started. So I'll create a new file. To create a new file, this is what we do. You go to File, New. So I'll create a new file, and I will just, so what we'll do is we'll just write a program that prints hello world, as simple as that. Okay, just to test our compiler. Oh, sorry. Print. Hello world. Let me change the language. My keyboard. So that's it. Hello world. Close the bracket, and to run, what we do is you just click on this small button here, or you go up here and click on Run Current Script. What could be the sorry, looks like there's a problem with Tony, an unexpected problem that showed up. Oh no, it's taking longer than I. Okay, let me try it again. Okay. Voila. So we can see down here. Okay. We can see here, this is our output. Look at it very well. This is our output, hello world. So it shows that the compiler is okay. So that is it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next class, where we are going to move to the use of lesson on variables and data types in Python. So thank you very much, and please, if this is your first time visiting our channel, please make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like and you comment. Also remember to share, because it goes a long way to encourage us in the work we are doing here. Thank you very much, and God bless you. See you in the next class.